Hello friends. In this video you will learn about various tools available for assessing obesity. These tests can be performed at home. 1. Body Mass Index (BMI). It is calculated as weight in kilograms, square of height in meter. Based on BMI, individuals can be categorized as follows. 18.5 or less is underweight, 18.5 to 24.99 is normal, 25 to 29.99 is pre-obese, 30 or more is obese. 2. Ponderal Index. It is calculated as height in centimeter cube root of weight in kilograms. 3. Broca's Index. It is calculated as height in centimeters minus 100. For example, if a person's height is 160 cms, then his ideal weight is 60 kgs. 4. Corpulence Index. It is calculated as a ratio of actual weight of the individual to desirable weight calculated by Broca's Index. 5. Skin fold thickness. Most amount of body fat is located just beneath the skin, so skin fold thickness measurement is a good tool for assessing obesity. Measurements of skin fold thickness are taken at mid-triceps, biceps, subscapular and supra-iliac regions. Sum total of these skin folds should not cross 40 mm in boys and 50 mm in girls. 6. Waist circumference. It is measured at the lower border of rib cage to iliac crest. For men it should not cross 102 cm. For women it should not cross 88 cm. 7. Waist to hip ratio (WHR). Waist to hip ratio should not exceed 1 in men and 0.85 in women. Subscribe. Share. Comment. Thanks for watching.